In response to the onset of worldwide social unrest in 2019 and then coronavirus in 2020, adapting and creating virtual content as an alternative to global study trips has been a priority for Austral Group.
I mean, working with the Austral Group is always a fantastic experience. High touch, great customer service, great communications. I didn't notice any difference doing this in a virtual setting as opposed to working with Austral face-to-face. Usually you have months to prepare these things and we're like, can you pull this out in 3 weeks for us? Okay, thanks. 5-star rating right there.
I didn't think in the middle of COVID-19 that we'd be speaking or interacting with anyone from the healthcare, and Austral was able to get connections and interaction between my students and people at the Panama Clinic.
Another highlight, and I had to be convinced of that by Austral, was the case study that we did with Kingston Family Vineyards, which ended up being incredible. To be able to do a case study prepared by Stanford University, and then to meet Courtney Kingston in our virtual meeting room and discuss the case with her was incredibly engaging and very valuable.
I really enjoyed it. You can't hear the cows down the hill or see what's happening in the winery. And yet you have the ability to still connect with people. And what I enjoy the most about the conversations are honestly just that, the conversations. And that can work quite effectively, actually, in a virtual environment.
They added a lot of value to open our mindsets. And it's always valuable, as said, to let us think a little bit out of the box to understand the trends that are happening also in other parts of the world.
They really enjoyed the program, that they felt that this was a truly valuable learning experience for them.
I'm always impressed with not only the quality of companies that they can pull for us, but also the quality of projects that those companies present. Where Austral plays a really good role in that is that they excel in client management, not only on the university side, but also on the corporation or organization side.
We believe it is critical to bring the local cultures to your doorstep, and we are offering interactive ways to do it: cooking classes, salsa lessons, and wine tastings.
Our focus has always been on taking students beyond the classroom. And even though travel is on pause right now, global experiences don't have to be.
It's been a huge relief to see that the quality that's possible in these remote opportunities. I'm just really happy that we're working with partners who are doing it well and understand it best.